Right, one thing that we get asked a lot here is why should I spend the money on upgrading the standard brakes to the Leighton EBC Big Brake Kit? And that's a question that we would like to answer. So not a lot of people don't understand just the sheer amount of force that goes through the standard brakes on a standard van, especially when you start to load it up with van racking, mountain bikes, camping gear, gear that you actually use for work, ladders, bags of cement, whatever. And these brakes go through a lot. And one thing that a lot of people don't understand is the difference between a standard kit and an EBC kit. So today we're going to run through a couple of differences and a couple of reasons as to why you should consider going for the EBC Big Brake Kit. Now, if you don't already know, EBC are a very, very well-known brake manufacturer specialising in automotive, motorcycle, performance and race braking kits. And they're based down in Northampton. We've been down at the factory plenty of times, as you'll have seen in previous videos. And EBC are one of the industry leaders when it comes to braking performance. So when we were looking at a big brake kit, there was only one place to go, and that was down to Northampton. So what do we actually upgrade when you come in and have an EBC Big Brake Kit fitted? Well, first off, we strip the original caliper off of the van along with the original disc. Now, this is just a standard heavy cast caliper with a very basic disc. Again, you know, the manufacturers, they're not going to go and spend millions of pounds researching big brake kits and things like that. It's all to do with cost effectiveness. Now, EBC on the other hand, now what we're putting on with the EBC Big Brake Kit is a 6-pot caliper, which is engineered and designed obviously around braking power, but what a lot of people don't realise is the amount of engineering that goes behind dissipating the heat out of the brakes. One of the main problems with brakes is fade. So if you're using them a lot, you're standing on the brakes constantly, you're coming down a big hill with a lot of weight in the back of the van, those brakes will get extremely hot and very quickly they will start to fade. That is why a lot of HGVs on the road, they have a retarder or an engine brake, and that is because the brakes just wouldn't be able to cope with all that weight that's pushing them down the hill, so they have an engine brake. A van obviously is not going to have an engine brake or a retarder fitted, so the only option is to upgrade those brakes. So 6-pot caliper that is engineered around stopping power and heat dissipation. Along with that, we've got a 360mm grooved and vented disc. Again, it looks amazing behind the wheel, the grooved and vented disc, but it does actually serve a purpose, and that is to get rid of that heat as quickly and efficiently as possible. And then we've also got a set of braided lines and yellow stuff pads. Now, EBC do quite a few different versions of pads, yellow stuff being the ones that we favour the most here at Leighton in terms of how they work with the extra weight of a van, performance upgrades, that extra little bit of stopping power. But we also supply a red stuff pad if you want the big brake kit more for looks rather than actually loading the van up with weight or being on the brakes hard all the time. The red stuff pad might suit a little bit better because it's not as aggressive. So that is first off, that's what we swap. We take this big lump of cast metal off and we put a lovely shiny looking EBC kit behind the wheel. Now, there's a couple of reasons as to why you should probably upgrade your standard brakes to the EBC Big Brake Kit, and we'll have a run through them. So, first of all, using your van for work. If you use a panel van and you load the rear axle with bags of cement, tools, everything you need to earn a living, basically, you could be adding up to a ton of weight into the back of that van, which that extra ton of weight is relying on these standard discs and calipers to stop you efficiently every time. The EBC Big Brake Kit, you're not going to have any fade, better performance, better reliability. That's going to be a huge upgrade. Another biggie is if you're using the van, if you're going down the route of performance upgrades, you're going to do engine remapping, you're going to put more power through that vehicle, more drivability in terms of better tyres, coilovers, bigger wheels. That is where a big brake kit will also help, because it'll just tie all those few modifications tie them up seamlessly with an EBC Big Brake Kit, especially if you're running better power. These brakes are not designed to have big power running through them. So going back to the T6 and the 6.1s, where you could have a 200 brake horsepower van but map it up to 250, 240, put a nice set of coilovers around it, some Michelin tyres, and really get that van, the power of that van driving well, the one thing you're going to be missing is better brakes. So that would be a huge step up. And a biggie for me is towing. So if you tow a caravan with the van, like a lot of our customers do, caravans now can be up to 2.5 ton fully loaded. So that's a lot of weight pushing on the back of your van. And again, you're relying on standard brakes to bring you to an efficient stop every time, especially if you're up in Scotland, the Lake District, hilly areas. You're doing a lot of uphill followed by a lot of slow downhill windy roads. You are going to get brake fade with a standard set of discs and calipers, whereas with the EBCs, better performance, better heat displacement, better efficiency, that will be a godsend when towing. And I can quite happily speak up on that as well. Our Ranger that we use for towing the trailer, that hasn't got a big brake kit on it, but it has got a set of EBC discs and yellow stuff pads, and since switching to those, less fade, coming to a stop more easily without feeling like you really have to stand on that pedal. It's been a huge upgrade. If I had a big brake kit on there, it would be even better. So yes, the EBC Big Brake Kit does look absolutely amazing behind a set of our wheels, or behind a set of any wheels for that matter. But if you were wondering whether there are any actual real world uses where you would benefit from an EBC Big Brake Kit, more weight in the van, more performance, towing, you are going to see a huge benefit from upgrading from this big ugly lump to something like the EBC Big Brake Kit. And we have worked with EBC, so down at their R&D centre down in Northampton, we've been back and forward with different brake horsepower of vans, different weights of vans, testing, trial fitting, seeing how they drive on the road, going back, doing revisions. The guys have been up here doing revisions. We've worked really hard to bring the best possible big brake kit out for the commercial vehicle models that we've got around us now. And we are exclusive for the EBC Big Brake Kit across the T6, T5, T6.1, the new Transit, the new Transporter, the Ranger, the Amarok. If you want one of these for any of those commercial vehicles, come and see us and we can help you out.